Hello kids. In our last class, we have studied thoroughly about the ratios and the equivalent ratios. I have just given you some introduction of equivalent ratios over there. You can go back to the previous video and have a look at it if you haven't done. So over here I'm going to do some more examples so that you can understand the equivalent ratios completely. Let's do the revision. Equivalent ratios are the ratios which have same values as a result. Like over here we have two categories, green and blue. We have blue 1 and we have greens 2. So we can write 1:2 or 1:2 in the normal or easiest way. Similarly, the second set is 2 blues and how many greens? 4. So 2:4 or 2:4 or 2/4 is the simple ratio of this figure. Again, here are two different colors, yellow and black. Here you can see easily that 1:2 ratio is given for the set 1 and set 2 contains 2:4. How? 2 yellows, over here it is written, and how many blacks? 4. So 2/4 and 1/2 is the ratio over here. Guys, here is an example from a book of grade 5. So here you can see three different fruits over here. 4 apples, 8 oranges and 12 mangoes. तो हमें करना क्या है बेसिकली, ये हमने रेशियो में इसको समझ लिया है किस तरह से कि 4 एप्पल्स देंगे और 8 ऑरेंजेस हैं और 12 मैंगोज हैं. सो हम इसको कैटेगरी वाइज इसको यहाँ देख सकते हैं. लाइक 4 एप्पल्स हैं तो हमने 2 का सेट बनाकर इनको कैटेगराइज कर दिया है. 2 एप्पल्स एंड 2 एप्पल्स मेक्स 4 एप्पल्स ऑल टुगेदर. सिमिलरली 1 2 3 4 sets of 2 oranges, right? In each set we have 2 oranges. Similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6 set of mangoes, all contains 12 altogether, right? So we are going to write the ratios in simple form, 4:8:12. Now you can see that these are all even numbers which are completely divisible by 2, right? Leaving no remainder. सो ये इवन नंबर्स हैं तो हम जानते हैं कि इवन नंबर क्या होते हैं. वो नंबर्स जो कि 2 से कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल हों और उनका कोई रिमाइंडर ना बचे तो वो इवन नंबर कहलाते हैं. यहाँ पे हम इन तीनों रेशियोज को 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. जब हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर आ जाएगा 2 2 4, 2 4 8 एंड 2 6 12. सो ये हमारे पास सिंपलेस्ट रेशियो आ गया. अब आप मुझे ये बताइए 2 4 6 अगेन हमारे पास इवन नंबर्स का सेट है तो हम इसको फर्दर सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. अगर कर सकते हैं तो बताइए कैसे. सो गाइस, हम इसको देख सकते हैं कि हमारे पास ये इवन नंबर है. अब हम दोबारा से इसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दें तो 2 1 2, 2 2 4 एंड 2 3 टाइम्स 6 हमारे पास आ जाएगा. तो सो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 1:2, 2:3. तो यानी इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो है हमारे पास अगर इवन नंबर हो तो हम उससे डिवाइड करके इजीली अपना आंसर जनरेट कर सकते हैं. या कोई भी नंबर हो हमें खुद उसको देखना होगा कि हमारे पास कोई भी एक सिंगल नंबर जो है वो डिवाइड कर सकता हो. Here we have another example and we are going to do it by ourselves. The last one we have done it orally, so this is time we are going to do it ourselves. Here you can see that we have 6 stars and 10 crescents, right? So you can see the ratio is 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have written 6 ratio and the crescents are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? So now you can see that the ratio is, I have just determined that 6:10 is the ratio for stars and crescents, right? Now we are going to simplify it. As you can see that 6 and 10 both are even number. So I'm going to choose 2 to divide both of them. So here you can see I have written 6:10 divided by 2. अब हम इन दोनों नंबर्स को, इन दोनों रेशियोज को अपने 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. देखते हैं हमारे पास क्या आंसर आता है. आप भी अपनी कॉपी में करके देखिए. So guys, you can see that I have divided 6:10 by 2 and both are even numbers, so I got 3:5 the final ratio. इससे हमें क्या पता लग रहा है कि अगर हम इनको सेट्स बनाएं तो एक सेट के अंदर 3 स्टार्स आ जाएंगे और दूसरे सेट में क्रिसेंट्स के सेट में एक सेट के अंदर 5 क्रिसेंट्स आ जाएंगे. इस तरह से हमें समझ में आ जाएगा कि ये हमारा रेशो बिल्कुल ठीक है. Now let's do a missing number example. Over here you can see that we have given a ratio 3:12:18 is equals to 1 ratio dash ratio another blank. So two blanks are given to us and first number instead of 3 it is written 1. So you can understand that we are simply dividing the complete ratio by a number. We have to choose very carefully what is the number. So over here this one is 3 and instead of 3 it is written as 1. So you can understand this that 3 is going to be divided or 3 is being divided by number 3 itself. So after dividing it by 3 we will get 3 divided by 3 1 and 12 divided by 3 it will be 4 and 18 divided by 3 it will be 6 over here. So guys, 3 is to 12 is to 18 equals to 1 is to 4 is to 6. How? We have just find out the correct number to divide it and that was number 3, and after picking up 3 we have divided the whole term with number 3, right? So this is the simplest form of our ratio. Further we cannot divide it because 2 are the even numbers and one is itself an odd number over here, so we cannot go further for it. This is the simplest ratio and this is our final answer. In missing terms you just have to find out the appropriate number by assuming it for the calculations so that you can find the appropriate number for simplification. Like if it is an even number just go for 2, if it is an odd number find out which times table it lies, so you will find the better solution for your question. So I hope you have understood the video. Till then for the next video, bye bye.